Say I'm not afraid to die.
How you know?
I'll be dressed in white.
White light.
White light.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. But if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. I am your girl MakeupShae, and you are watching MakeupShae, of course. So if this is your first time liking my video, commenting on my video, sharing, subscribing to my channel, clicking on the thumbnail, anything on my channel, y'all.
Yo.
What's up? All right, let's get this started. So I can't remember where I got it from, because I got it from a long time ago. I can't even talk today, y'all. But first I need to put some lip gloss on, because we looking a little chappy, a little dry. So I'm gonna apply some lip gloss right quick. This is my Gerard Cosmetics lip gloss in Kiss Assist, which is a lip plumper. I gotta come to y'all straight, okay? So let me just apply this right quick. And first off, how y'all doing? How is y'all day going? How is y'all week going? How is y'all September going? It is still September, I'm sure, this time. Okay, but we are here for a wig install, wig review. This one I believe I got from Sam's Beauty. As always, I love Sam's Beauty. They have affordable synthetic wigs. I'm not a human hair girl wearer. I'm not a wig wearer. So this is like, I like them when I see them on YouTube, and then I try them on. So anyway, today we are going to be reviewing the Color Bomb Premium Synthetic Fibers wig. This is their premium lace front wig, and this is from Outre. I got it in the style 1B. I wanted it in the Cherry Bomb or the Caramel Night, but they were all out of stock everywhere. So it's like I've been trying to hunt for it, but I cannot find it. So today we are going to be reviewing this bad boy right here. This is what the stock card looks like right there. And it is a crimp style wig. I got it in the 1B. It's supposed to be a face frame and split dye. So for all the specialty colors, it will be an extra price in it. I will have the link down below to where you can find the wigs at, or different websites where you can find the wigs. I can't remember how much I paid for it. I'm pretty sure it was like in the 20s, close to the $30 range. So it is pretty affordable. So anyway, we are going to unbox, and then I'm going to apply, and then we are going to talk about it, sis. So let go.
So cross your T's and dot your
Way it is set up, but this is like my first time trying this on. Anyway, so I'm going to try it on, and then we're going to see what we need to do, if it is big head friendly, all that good stuff, blah blah blah. Here we go. All right, and it's a left side, it's a right side part. So let me pull it up, see if it's big head friendly. I have a medium size head. So this is how the wig looks. Let me see, the part in is right here. I might have to pluck a little bit of the part and move that cap over. You can see it has baby hairs on it already. This part is fine. I'm not even gonna worry about plucking that, because like I said, I don't know what I'm doing anyway. So I'm just going to pull this down a little bit more. But this is the wig, y'all. Nice and crimped. So I'm going to cut the lace and then apply the baby hairs. I don't think I'm going to glue it down, because it's already snug to my head as it is. So I'm going to do a little bit of plucking, And then I'm going to put some concealer on the part, style up the baby hairs, and then tell y'all what I think about the wigs. So if y'all are interested, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me down below what you guys think about this unit. So let's go on to the customization, y'all.
Hope you're aiming right. If I'm on sight, I'm not afraid to die.
How you know?
I'll be dressed in white,
White light.
white light. You turn the pepper on the loud. You know that they come out tonight.
So cross your T's and dot your O's.
Hope you're ready for a fight. Hope you're aiming right. If I'm on sight, I'm not afraid to die.
How you know?
I'll be dressed in white,
White light.
white light. You turn the pepper on the loud. You know that they come out tonight.
So cross your T's and dot your O's.
Hope you're ready for a fight. Hope you're aiming right. If I'm on sight, I'm not afraid to die.
How you know?
I'll be dressed in white,
White light.
white light. You turn the pepper on the loud. You know that they come out tonight.
So cross your T's and dot your O's.
Hope you're ready for a fight.
So y'all, this is the unit on my head. I didn't have to do that much customizing because it is an I part or L part wig, whatever side it is. The only thing I do not like, well, it's a couple of things I do not like about this unit, so I'm going to tell you guys right now. The first thing is the what's it call it, the side of where the part is at. It is on the right side of your head, so if you're not a right part girl, this wig might not be for you. That is probably the only con I do not like about this unit, and the fact that it is kind of small, so I did have to push it back behind my hairline. It did come with good baby hairs, I do give it that, and it was natural baby hair, so all you have to do is kind of like probably trim them down a little bit to fit your style. I didn't, because bitch, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just applying wigs and seeing how it look on me. So I just used the baby hairs that it came with. I did not cut it. I just styled it up just a little bit, as y'all can see. And one thing I do have to say, don't come for me, y'all. I'm not a professional. I'm just putting on wigs and seeing how they look. So I would have to color the lace a little bit, probably like with my powder or my foundation, so it can match my scalp, or just wear a stocking cap that fits my skin tone, because right now I have a dark brown one on, which it really doesn't matter. And I also have my wig grip on it, which is that velvet black one. Okay, so let's get into the specs. This is the Outre Color Bomb face framing split dye wig. This is in the style Olina. I got it in the color 1B, but it also comes in other specialty colors such as DR Cherry Bomb, DR Caramel Night, DR Sunflower Blonde, and DR Ginger Copper. I'm pretty sure I saw a rose gold one too. The ones that I wanted was the Ginger Copper and the Cherry Bomb, because the Cherry Bomb was like a red looking one. It had red streaks in it, but this is supposed to be like a crimp style, so I do give them that. Before I combed it out a little bit, it was crimped, but it is still crimped, as y'all can see, and I love it. As I said, I did comb it out. I used my little comb right here and just lightly combed it, just like this. And I'm sorry if y'all hear noise in the background. Those are my children. They are doing virtual learning. But overall, I do like this wig. I would say, y'all can't see it, but it is past my breast line, almost up to my back side. I'm going to see if I can show y'all a back angle of it. So that is what the wig looks like in the back. And as I said, it is nice and wavy. I did add a little bit of accessories. I used my Queen bobby pin with this one that came with it, as well as this one that says dripping, but you can't see it, so it doesn't even matter. I did use that ORS olive oil fix it grip gel as well as a spray to help me hold it down. But yeah, and I do like to say that be mindful that it is a synthetic unit, so with it, it will have a little bit of shedding, so make sure y'all get all that shedding out the way before y'all hit the door, because y'all do not want to be sitting around here looking like a damn cat, sitting here shedding and whatnot out here in these streets. Okay, but it is a nice length. I will give it 24-26 inches of hair. It is a nice silky texture, like I can run my fingers through it and it has no tangling whatsoever, so that is a plus side. But oh, hold on, we got a little bit of snags. But this is the wig, you guys. So y'all will be seeing this wig in up and coming videos, so y'all stay tuned. I do hope you guys enjoyed this unit as much as I did. I will be getting more units to do a review for you guys. So if y'all do have wigs in mind that you think that I will look cute in, or y'all want to see me rock, let me know down in the description box where I could find it. Email me or whatever, and we will do what we got to do, honey. Alright, so anyway, I'm your girl Shay. You are watching Makeup Shay. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe, and I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.